Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to be a really quick, simple and easy way of how I blow dry and style my hair pretty much when I want to do this like basic straight look. It's got a little bit of volume in it and a little bit of a bend on the end, but I just figured that with everything going on and most of us having to stay inside, obviously none of us are going to have access to go and get our hair done. So I figured I would show you guys how I just do this basic straight style at home. I am not a hair person by any means, so this is really easy. If I can do it, you guys can definitely do this too. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I do this, then just keep watching. So I'm starting out by obviously brushing through my hair because it's a little tangly after I took it out of the towel. And I am using a wooden brush that I normally would use when I have extensions, and it's a little rougher than what I would ideally use right now, which is a wet brush, but I couldn't find mine, so yeah, that's what I'm using. The first product that I'm going to be going in with is this leave-in foam by Milkshake. It's a leave-in conditioner, and this stuff smells amazing, you guys. It literally smells like vanilla cupcakes. It's so good. But anyway, this is a detangler and a conditioner for my ends since my ends are a lot drier right now and I have been bleaching my hair. So I just put that all through the ends of my hair and then up to the middle a little bit where my hair is more dry. Then I'm taking this volume mist by Caviar and spraying this all in my roots. This stuff is really great to add extra body and volume to your hair, and it just makes my blow dries last a lot longer, especially for someone like me who has more oily hair. Then I'm going to start sectioning off my hair, and what I normally do is start from the underneath and work my way up. I feel like a lot of people like to do their bang area first since it dries quicker, but this is just honestly what works for me. So I split my hair into two sections and then split each section into like 2 or 3 smaller sections, and then I'll just blow dry those pieces separately. I take my round brush and I hold it under each section and blow dry it down. Holding the brush underneath is what will give your hair more volume, obviously, and I'm not really too careful about this part since it is the underneath part of my hair, and you can't obviously see that as well as the other areas of your hair. So I end up just gathering as much as I can and just putting it all into the brush and blow drying it together pretty much. So yeah, then I'm just basically doing the same thing on the other side, just taking it by small sections. So once that section is dry, I'll clip that hair back so it's separated from the rest of my hair and it stays dry. And I bring down the middle section of my hair and I separate that from the sides of my head like I kind of did on the bottom section. And for each of these sections, I'll separate them into smaller pieces and blow dry them basically like I did before. This isn't anything fancy or groundbreaking, so I'm not too concerned about everything looking perfect, just as long as the hair is pretty much smoothed out and not frizzy. Then for the top section of my hair is where I try to concentrate on these pieces a little bit more since it's the front pieces which do frame around your face. I usually break this section into like 3 or 4 pieces, and I don't part my hair at my normal part before I do this. I try to blow dry all the pieces going forward. I do have a cowlick in the front and I want to try and force those front pieces to go against that. So that's why I blow dry everything just going forward, and then later on I will part my hair in my normal part. And since I want to concentrate more on these front pieces, you'll see that I take each section and wrap it around the brush as I'm moving the blow dryer down the shaft of my hair. wrapping your hair around the brush and then holding the heat on it on the ends is what'll give you that little bend at the end. Once the hair is fully dry, that's when I will go in with my flat iron just to make sure everything is smoothed out. And I also do this little trick on the ends that give it a little extra bounce to it as well. So what I'll do is I'll section my hair into larger sections, then just basically take random pieces and lightly run the flat iron from the middle of my hair to the ends. And when I get to the ends, I will turn the flat iron as if you're going to kind of curl the ends. And I only really turn it about halfway just so you get that little bend and not so much like a full curl. You'll see that it kind of does look like a curl, but it'll come out anyway. Yeah, so I just continue to do this throughout my hair. I'm not really paying attention to which direction I'm turning the flat iron because, like I said, this isn't anything crazy. You can turn it the other way if you want your hair to flip outwards a little bit more, but I'm just basically doing this so that the ends of my hair aren't pinned straight. And yeah, once that is all done, I will take a little bit of oil. This one's by Lanza, and I'll just run a little bit through my ends. And I know I desperately need a haircut, so please just disregard the ends of my hair. Then to finish everything off, I'm taking this dry shampoo. This one's from Moroccan Oil, and I'm just spraying it on the roots and rubbing it in. I always like to finish my blowouts with a little bit of dry shampoo or a dry texture spray because my hair does get so oily super quickly, and by doing this, it'll just really prolong the life of my blowout. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this simple, basic, straight blowout. Like I said, it was nothing crazy, nothing fancy, pretty simple, easy, anyone can do it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys are all staying safe during this time, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.